In 2017, Princess Cruises hired me to shoot still images and videos on the Silk Road journey, a 49-day cruise from Rome to Shanghai. I brought along my buddy Iouri as an assistant and a music composer for the project. I tried daily vlogging at the time, but our days were already super packed and I had to edit and deliver content for the client as a priority. We shot with Michelin chefs, met an NBA player, and traveled to 15 countries. What I want to do now is take a look at the footage and share with you the process of what it is to shoot and produce content on a cruise ship, with its limitations and being in a bubble for 2 months. Hey everybody, I'd like to take a minute to thank you all for watching the vlog series on the 49-day cruise journey from Rome to Shanghai on board of the Majestic Princess. Being at sea for that long is a unique experience. It's super exciting.
Captain's Bridge.
Frustrating at times. You go through highs and lows, but ultimately it was one of the craziest and most exciting projects I've been on yet. It was great to have such a good sidekick along with me for those 51 days. And even though he beat me at ping pong a few times, Iouri and I never really got mad or pissed off at each other. Now it's time for me to focus on new adventures and hopefully catch up on more footage from the last 2 years. If you enjoyed the content, feel free to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell if you want to know when the next videos are coming out, and definitely follow me on Instagram where I share my food and travel photography. I'll be back with more recent and up-to-date content very soon, so stay tuned. And as usual, I'll see you on the next one.